the things I hear most often is, I want to stop mowing, right? How do I do that? Well, it's a process. The way I like to go about it is by creating patches, food forest patches. Start to turn your lawn into something perennial, where you can grow your fruits, your nuts, your useful, your medicinal plants, one patch at a time, so it's not overwhelming. Start these patches by laying down compost, manure, straw, newspaper, cardboard, layering in, lasagnaing organic matter on top of your grass, which kills it and starts to improve the soil tilt below it. Do these patches, make them as small or as large as you're able to. I would say an average of 8 to 10 feet is a good start. Then you space your patches out about every 15 feet, depending on what you're going to be growing, but most of your small, mid-sized fruit trees use about 12 to 15 foot spacing. If you're going to do nut trees, space them out even further, a good 30, 40 feet. You could do some other trees in between while those are getting going as well. Then every year, come along and keep extending those patches so that you're using up more lawn and you're creating more grow space. All of that organic matter starts to bring in fungi, starts to build up healthy soil, and allows what you're planting to pump. So it's a step-by-step approach to where over time you'll have less and less lawn and you'll have much more food. And the other alternative is to do these patches and then just stop mowing. Let the grass grow up, let it become a mix of whatever's wild, whatever's wanting to come in, right? And allow that diversity to support what you're planting. If you need to cut paths through there for walking at certain points, go ahead and mow just that. But it's okay to not mow your lawn. It's not gonna go crazy right away. You're gonna have time to start to plant in what you would like to transition it to. And when you stop mowing your lawn and it has trees in it, it's not the same as, hey, I'm just gonna quit mowing my lawn and everything's gonna look derelict. No, it shows an intention. And you can even put a little sign out there if you want, hey, ecological restoration in progress, you know? I'm not gonna mow. And don't worry about what plants come up. What's gonna come up is what's needed. Mother Nature knows what your soil needs better than most of us do. So don't be all worried about what's native, not native, what's gonna show up. Allow things to naturally succeed. Nature has the largest wisdom. It will find what's needed, it will work together, and it will create success for you if you work with it. So go for it, one patch at a time, and you'll be getting rid of that lawnmower. Good luck.